If Crimson Desert won't install on your PC, whether it's stuck, failing, or not starting at all, there are a few fixes that usually solve it fast. Let's get it downloading properly. And quick heads up, if this helps, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss PC fix guides like this. First, check your storage space. Make sure you have more than enough free space, not just for the download, but for installation and temporary files. If you're close to the limit, the install can fail or freeze. Next, restart your launcher and PC. Fully close Steam or your game launcher. Restart your computer, then try installing again. This clears stuck processes that can block downloads. Now clear your download cache. On Steam, go to Settings arrow, Downloads arrow, Clear download cache. Corrupted cache files can stop installs from starting or completing. Also try switching your download region/server. In your launcher settings, change to a nearby region. Sometimes servers get overloaded or bugged, which causes install issues. If the install starts but fails, check your antivirus or Windows Defender. It can block certain files during installation. Add your launcher and game folder to the exceptions list, then try again. Another fix is making sure you have the correct permissions. Run your launcher as administrator so it can properly write files to your system. If you're installing to a secondary drive, make sure the drive is formatted correctly and not corrupted. Running a quick disk check can help catch issues. Pro tip: avoid installing while running heavy apps or games. High disk usage in the background can interrupt or slow the install process and cause errors. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment with what error you're seeing, and I'll help you fix it.